What's up, guys? I'm back with another gaming video today. This one is a Forza Horizon 5 ramp jump video, and this is because I won a new car the last time I played Forza Horizon 5, and I want to do a ramp jump in it. And I'll show you guys the car once I get to the ramp location. Alright guys, this is the car. It is a Lamborghini Huracan STO. And if you guys are ready, I think I'm ready. I feel like this one is going to be pretty cool. Almost made. Actually, I was not that close to the river on the fly, but I have had a lot worse, and I've had a lot better. But anyway, I thought that one was pretty cool. Pretty cool car to do it with. Anyway, my next video using this car is definitely going to be a free roam video. I do not know if I'm going to do it next week because there's another car that I'm going to make a video of in Forza Horizon 5 that I have made a video of before, and I either did a free roam video or ramp jump video with it in the past, and whichever one I have not done with it in the past is what I'm going to do next week. So probably 2 weeks around that time frame will be when I make a free roam video with this car. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well to never miss lit Everyday Andrew videos. Everyday Andrew out. Peace.